it's hard to breathe every time I think about it. I start to suffocate, the walls are closing in all around me. I can't breathe every time I think about you. I'm on my knees, wondering what the hell did I do? 'Cause every time we cried, every time we laughed, all of it's gone, it's over. The weight of it all, the weight of the world I carry on my shoulders. Yeah, every time we cried, every time we laughed, all of it's gone, it's over. The pain doesn't age, it all stays the same, but I'm still getting older. I'm still getting... I can't breathe every time I think about you. I'm on my knees, wondering what the hell did I do? I'll do anything just to go back for a minute. Anytime, any place, as long as you're there, I just want to relive it. Oh yeah. And I know if you could, you'd tell me that it's okay, and that I shouldn't cry. You're right by my side, and we'll see each other one day. I can't breathe every time I think about you. I'm on my knees, wondering what the hell did I do? 'Cause every time we cried, every time we laughed, all of it's gone, it's over. The weight of it all, the weight of the world I carry on my shoulders. Yeah, every time we cried, every time we laughed, all of it's gone, it's over. The pain doesn't age, it all stays the same, but I'm still getting older. I'm still getting over you.